The saying goes that there is no place like home. But Nigerians that have jabbed, that have traveled outside the country, are saying otherwise. Viewers and subscribers, welcome back to BVR Channel 1 Plus. Okay, so people are saying that there is no place like home, but Nigerians that have jabbed, they are saying otherwise. As the US-Iranian war, Israeli war is going on, Nigerians that are in diaspora, Nigerians that are in Israel, Nigerians that are in Tel Aviv, Nigerians that are in Dubai say they are not coming back to Nigeria. Some people are saying that there is no place like home, but these people are saying otherwise. Imagine a country where doctors and nurses and engineers are running out of their country. They are saying even if aircraft, Nigerian government provide aircraft for them to come back to Nigeria, they are not coming back. This is what people on the streets of Dubai are saying. Other people are saying that no place like home, but Nigerians in diaspora are saying people that are working, that are earning $600 a day, a week, are saying that it's better they buy in another man's land rather than coming back to their country.
Everything seems to be normal. See how maybe to throw one bomb. Nigeria, we are not safe. Come and carry your daughter. Your daughter cannot die in another man's land. Yeah. Nigeria is a useless country. That is why we jackpot. Where we jackpot go now? What they come there? We don't even pray. May they bring plane for me. My call Nigeria. I know they pray like that. More I not bring any plane. If I perish, I perish. Madam Maria. This is to tell Tinubu and Shei Tinubu say, and I'm not gonna live for this world forever. May this world strike come reach on a compass. May we know how far the power we wanna get. Useless set of people. With the outside war is coming for us, but we are not afraid because the country have military men. They have air defense. Nigeria not even get anything to intercept any bomb. Come here. What they call you? They do chaka 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 chaka. You see, everybody is working. You know, stop us not to work. Now my I come by so. You understand? With the outside gallant. I'm reporting from UAE, charger another. They don't bomb one corner there, but we still there. Okay. People still they go where they go. Khalid come on. What is coming? What is coming?
Everybody there for road. Nobody there for road this morning. In fact, nobody slept last night. Nobody, no single person slept last night. Everybody just there outside all throughout last night. I believe that this morning some people will even they go sleep. See, everywhere just they quiet. The road just they empty. So the road just they empty. May God help us. May God help us. I don't wake up this morning now. I dey go work. Healthcare. Not everything where they happen. Healthcare must go to work. God, I beg you, may God protect me for this country.
I stand on my point as a citizen of Nigerians. If Nigeria is working, we will not leave Nigeria to another country where the politician children are living large life, where the single man will look for money and travel outside the country. All the job available for them is just a taxi driver, cleaner, or cooking in a restaurant as a chef. We will get oil full our country. We are slaves.
You that is watching from a place that there is no electricity. You that is if now you they work where you earn $1,500 a week outside tax, would you come back to this country? You that is opening your mouth and be talking where bandits are disturbing, politicians they loot money, would you come back? Other people say no. This is how people feel from the honest place of their heart. This is where they are talking from. However you feel about this thing, leave it on the comment section. I'm your girl Bella. Peace.